Now let's take a look at the top 5 regulatory moves, starting with, of course, Brazil. Brazil announced formal regulated open banking standards to be implemented by November 2020, a very aggressive time frame. My hat goes off to all of you out there pushing the Brazil framework forward. I look forward to working with you, and I really applaud what it is you're trying to do. I love the enthusiasm that I see out there when I talk to the banks and the fintechs already. Number 2, Mexico licenses its very first fintech through its very advanced open banking regulations. And the very first license they give out is to a cryptocurrency company where they are openly trying to lead. So Mexico is loudly trying to declare that they're not only different, but trying to do better than everyone else, which is great. Number 3, the UK's OBIE, often considered the best open banking implementation in the world, launches the Open Banking App Store, a completely new and intuitive way to see what TPPs and solution providers have available. I suggest, if you haven't seen it, go check it out. It's an amazing piece of work they did there. Number 4, Australia's Consumer Data Right, or the CDR, went live on July 1st, introducing the very first openly cross-economy regime. It applies not only to banks, it applies to telecom, to healthcare, and everywhere else that a consumer has data. So thanks to Australia, we start to really see how this philosophically forward-thinking idea of customers having rights to their data will work in practice, and the world is watching. And finally, big one, just 5 days ago, the U.S. Consumer Financial Protection Bureau announced that they will leverage Section 1033 of the Dodd-Frank Act to push for, quote, consumer authorized access to financial data. Now, everyone here knows, even though they don't call it open banking, a rose is a rose. We all know exactly where it is they're headed. And that means that open banking is on its way to the largest economy in the world, even if they are playing a bit of catch up.